Okay, now we are going to discuss the triangle inequality theorem 1, which is the side angle theorem. So, tatlo to, no? And mamaya ko i-discuss yung dalawa pa. Una muna si side angle theorem. So, when we say side angle, therefore, we are going to base on its side. Para malaman natin which is the largest angle. Side angle theorem that if one side of a triangle is longer than a second side, then the angle opposite the first side is larger than the angle opposite the second side. Okay, so medyo, ano yun ma'am? Nakakalito naman yan. So, wag niyo muna yung pag-isipan, no? Wag natin masyadong pakomplikahin yung buhay natin dito sa ating itinuturo. So, ganito lang yun kadali, okay? So, ang una muna natin gagawin is i-identify muna natin yung mga sides na mayroon itong triangle na to. Alright? So, we have side AT. Yan. We also have side TN. Yan. And of course, the third side, which is NA. Right? Now, let's identify the opposite angles of these sides. Okay? So, ano ba kapag sinabing opposite angle? Ito yung angles na katapat nitong mga side na to. For example, si side 80. Ayan. Ang kanyang opposite angle is si angle N. Yan yung kanyang opposite angle. Bakit? Siya po yung katapat. Ayan, katapat. Alright? Basta katapat, yun na yung opposite angle nitong side na to. So, we have angle N as the opposite angle of side 80. Then, we have side TN. Sino yung katapat ni side TN or ka-opposite? Diba? Ayan. Yan yung angle na ka-opposite ni TN. Therefore, sa yung opposite angle ni TN, angle A. And the next, we have side NA. Sino yung ka-opposite angle ni side NA? Diba si angle T? Right? So, sinasabi dito na kung ang isang side daw ng triangle is longer than a second side. Now, let's identify the longer side. Which is the longer side of this triangle? As you can see, ayan, nakalagay na yung ating measurement. We have TN as 9 cm and AN as 7 cm. So, which is longer? Therefore, the longer side is 9 cm, of course. So, ito yung longer side. Ayan. Si TN. So, kapag ganun daw yung sitwasyon na yung side na ito is mas malaki or longer than the second side, ang second side natin is yung 7 cm. Then, the angle opposite the first side, ang first side natin is yung longer. Okay, ito. Yung palagi nyo tatandaan ha, yung sinasabing first side dito, palagi yung longer. Dito sa theorem na to, is larger than the angle opposite the second side. So, therefore, when you identify the longer side, the angle opposite to this side, which is angle A, is larger than the angle opposite to the second side. So, therefore, si angle A, it is larger or greater than angle, sino ba ang ka-opposite ni 7 cm or ni AN or ni NA. Pwede yung magkabaliktad, okay? So, we have angle T, di ba? Ayan. So, definitely, ganito lang yung sinasabi niya. Kung sino yung may pinakamalaking side or pinakamahabang side, yung angle na opposite sa pinakamahabang side na yon is siya yung palaging mas malaki ang measurement. Okay? Palaging larger or greater. Right? So, therefore, si angle A, kasi ito yan, katapat ng pinakamalaking side, si 9 cm, di ba? So, yan yung pinakamalaking angle dito sa dalawang to. Or, dito sa second side. Sabihin na natin, itong angle na to is pinakamalaki. So, ang mas malaki naman is itong angle T. Yan. And then, alin yung pinakamaliit na angle? Dahil ito yung pinakamaliit na side, or pinakamaikling side, ang pinakamaliit na angle is si angle N. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple ang sinasabi ni side angle theorem. So, ito, saan ba ginagamit yung mga yan, ma'am, no? So, ito pa ay ginagamit pagka walang measurement ang isang triangle, but you are going to get the highest angle or the larger angle So, ginagamit to sa mga engineering, sa mga paggagawa ng mga building, ganyan. So, kaya nga, theorem, kahit wala siyang exact measurement, nakakaya nating i-identify kung alin ba yung pinakamalaking angle, pinakamaikling side, pinakamahabang side, ganun lang siya simple. Like, for example, angle A is 100 degree. Therefore, itong angle na to, ng dalawang to, is dapat mas mababa kay 100 degree. So, let's say, for example, this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 50 degree. And this side is 5 centimeter. Ayan. So, di ba, longest side equals to largest angle, yung ka-opposite niya. And then, ang sunod na may pinakamalaking angle is si angle T. Tama? Si 50 degree. Therefore, pangalawa din dapat si side AN. Tama? And then, the lowest angle is si angle N, si 30 degree. And as you can see, si 5 centimeter is the lowest side. Di ba? Ganun lang siya kasimple. Now, let's have the angle side theorem. So, si angle side theorem is vice versa lang ni side angle theorem na nakadidiscuss lang natin. Okay? So, dito kanina, ang pinagbasehan natin is side. Ngayon naman, we're going to base on angle para ma-identify natin which is the longest side. So, kanina pinagbasehan natin si side para ma-identify natin which is the largest angle. So, ngayon naman, longest side ang hahanapin natin. Okay? So, sabi dito, angle side theorem states that if one angle of a triangle is larger than a second angle, then the side opposite the first angle is longer than the side opposite the second angle. Okay, so medyo mahaba, no? Medyo nakakalito pa din, pero iisa-isahin natin. So ngayon nga is identify muna natin alin ba yung ka-opposite side ng mga angles natin. Di ba we have angle S, angle U, and angle N. Now, let's identify the opposite side of these angles. Diba, nasabi ko na kanina, the opposite side is yung palaging katapatan. And we have angle S. Ano yung opposite side niya? Diba, ang katapat nitong angle na to is, ayan, yung side UN. Therefore, ito yung ka-opposite side niya. We have UN. Okay? And then, we have angle U. Sino ang ka-opposite side ni angle U? Sinong katapat niya? Ayan, dito siya. Therefore, we have side SN as the opposite side of this angle, alright? And next is we have angle N. Etong angle N na to, no? So, ang katapat po niya is of course etong side na to. Therefore, we have side US as the opposite side of this angle. Okay? So, now, punta na tayo doon. Sabi dito, kung ang isa daw angle ng triangle is mas malaki kaysa sa second angle, and ayan na, nandito na siya. Si angle U, ang ating pinakamalaking angle, we have 110 degree. Alright? We have an angle S as 45 degree naman. Let's say, for example, angle S is the second angle. So, whenever makakakita kayo ng ganitong theorem, palagi nyo lang tatandaan is to identify first kung alin ba yung pinakamalaking side, pinakamalaking angle. Okay? Or yung mayroong given para mas madali kayong makapag-identify. Okay? So, dahil nga meron na tayong given na 110 degree at 45, therefore, alin ba mas malaki sa kanila? Diba si angle U, first angle, larger than the second angle. Then, the side opposite the first angle, alin ba yung may pinakamalaking angle? Diba? Itong si U. So, therefore, ang side opposite to that angle is longer than the side opposite the second angle, is longer than the side opposite the second angle. And what is the side opposite to this second angle? You have UN. Ito siya. Therefore, mas malaki ang measurement ni side SN kesa kay UN. Like for example, si SN, lagyan natin siya ng, sabihin na natin, it measures 10 cm. Therefore, etong si UN, kailangan mas mababa yan kaysa sa 10 cm. Bakit? Kasi, si 45 degree, siya yung katapat. Diba? Mas mababa siya kay 110. Kaya dapat yung katapat niya mas mababa kay 10 cm. So, sabihin na natin that is 5 cm. Yan. Ganun lang kasimple. Basta, parang pagsusunod-sunodin nyo lang naman siya, no? So, pinakamalaking angle, ang pinakamahabang side dapat is yung opposite ng angle na yon. Ang sunod sa pinakamahaba is dapat yung opposite ng second angle. May sunod na mas malaking angle. Diba? And that is 5 cm. Etong side na to. So, ganun lang naman kasimple. So, since diba we have 110 degree and 45 degree, therefore, this angle measures 25 degree. Okay? 25 degree yan. Kasi 110 plus 45 plus 25 is equal to 180 degree. And remember, a triangle or the interior angles of a triangle measures 180 degree. Interior ha, alright? Kasi kanina sinabi ko yung exterior angle 360 degree. Ngayon, interior angles 180 degree. Since ito yung pinakamaliit na angle, therefore, yung katapat niya ang pinakamaikling side. Diba? So, we have US, side US. So, yun. Ganun lang kasimple ang angle side theorem and side angle theorem. Vice versa lamang sila. Okay, so on to the last theorem. We have this triangle inequality theorem 3 states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So, medyo madali lang itong intindihan, no? Okay, so we have here a triangle cut. Yan, as you can see. So, let's say, for example, we have side 1 as 15 cm, side 2 as 9 cm, and side 3 as 7 cm. So, we have side 1 as 15 plus side 2 is 9. That is greater than side 3, and side 3 is 7. So, we have 15 plus 9 is 24, and 24 is greater than 7. Okay, another. We have this side and this side. 9 plus 7 is greater than 15. Kasi si 15 yung third side natin. Tama? So, 9 plus 7 is 16. Is greater than 15. Diba? Yun yung sinasabi nito. And then, yung isa pa, we have 7 plus 15. 7 plus 15. And the third side would be 9. So, we have 7 plus 15 is 22. And that is greater than the third side. Okay, as you can see, kapag pinagsama mo, maalin dito sa dalawang side, palaging ang measurement nila is greater than the third side or dun sa panghuli na hindi mo pinagsama. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple ang sinasabi ni Triangle Inequality Theorem 3. Okay? So, remember, theorems are statements that is proven with proof, of course. And theorems also used to prove something in mathematics. Specifically in geometry, and in real life, we can also use theorems to prove. Alright? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating YouTube channel, please huwag mo muna kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like ng video, and i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para naman palagi kang updated sa mga bago kong math tutorials, sa mga bago kong vlog na ina-upload dito sa ating YouTube channel. And kung meron kang suggestions, kung meron kang tanong, huwag kang mahihiyang magtanong dyan sa ating comment section. I-comment mo lang yan and sasagutin natin yan. So always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Thank you and God bless everyone.